If you're serious about your PC cooling system, the Aquacomputer Aquastream Ultimate Pump is a game changer. This powerful pump is not just another component, it's an essential part of ensuring your system runs smoothly and efficiently. Sporting a sleek black and red design, it not only looks great but performs exceptionally well. Weighing in at just 0.74 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to install, fitting seamlessly into your build. The Aquastream Ultimate Pump is corded electric and operates at 12 volts, delivering consistent and reliable power. With a power rating of 25 watts and a current of 1.5 A, it ensures your cooling system is robust and capable of handling high-performance demands. The compact dimensions of 75 mm by 118 mm mean it won't take up unnecessary space, making it ideal for both large and compact builds. One of the standout features of this pump is its submersible style, which provides flexibility in installation and operation. Whether you're using it in a reservoir or directly in your cooling loop, it delivers top-notch performance. The pump is designed with a focus on efficiency and reliability, ensuring that your system remains cool even under the heaviest loads. The Aquacomputer Aquastream Ultimate is also equipped with advanced features that make it a smart choice for any PC enthusiast. It includes a fan and radiator control system that allows you to optimize your cooling setup for maximum performance. This integration means you can manage your entire cooling system through one device, reducing clutter and improving overall efficiency. Another significant advantage is its noise level. Despite its powerful performance, the Aquastream Ultimate operates quietly, making it perfect for builds where noise reduction is a priority. You won't have to sacrifice peace and quiet for top-tier cooling performance. In summary, the Aquacomputer Aquastream Ultimate Pump is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to enhance their PC cooling system. Its powerful performance, compact size, and advanced features make it a standout product in the market. Whether you're building a new PC or upgrading your existing setup, this pump will provide the reliability and efficiency you need to keep your system running at its best. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.